Every single night this week, you're going to have to follow the checklist, which is the usual. I mean, I hope the pipes, you hope you got them covered already. You're going to keep them covered all week. The plants, probably keep them covered all week. You know, you got to check on the pets. And don't forget, be dripping the faucets as well. I mean, you could probably give it up during the day, but then remember to do it again at night because temperatures will be dipping into the 20s every single night. Lows this week. This isn't record-breaking cold or even close. I mean, most records this time of the year are in the single digits and low teens. This is going to be in the 20s every night. Not the worst of the cold, but still cold enough. We go outside this morning. We're sitting at 20 degrees in Lantana, 22 in Dallas, 25 at Cedar Creek Reservoir. Stephenville is 22. I mean, you take these temperatures. In general, skies are clear. We do have some clouds near area lakes. Got to watch that because you can even see a little band right here coming over Lake Louisville. That band coming over the lake, I mean, if it picks up enough moisture, and it could deposit a few flakes on the opposite side of an area lake. So be careful about that. But wind speeds generally about 12 to 25 miles per hour. It is a windy, cold morning. It feels like anywhere between 5 and 15 degrees, so it feels like a Texas chilly day. I mean, this is a good winter day. Is this true Arctic air? No. We've had a lot worse, but it is definitely cold. It is dry and cold across most of the state of Texas, although we're starting to see some Pacific moisture move in from the west, so there may be some clouds in the mix this afternoon. But with enough sun, should easily get back to close to 40 degrees later today. 40, still 15 degrees below average, but the true Arctic air, you can see the pink. That's the true Arctic air, has remained up to the north of us, Kansas into Nebraska and all the way to the Canadian border. Two things we're going to watch here. Let me step out of the way. We got a storm racing through the mid-Atlantic states in the Ohio Valley. I'm not going to say it's racing up the East Coast. It's going to be pushed south of New York City, but it is impacting Philadelphia, Atlantic City, Washington, over towards much of Virginia, where they have some freezing rain, so Richmond, and then you've got snow around Cincinnati and Indianapolis, a lot of area airports. But we're watching a storm. It's not even a storm right now. It is a next disturbance diving south through the central and western Rockies. And as this happens, it's going to spin up, start to send moisture our way. A couple of flakes around on Wednesday, but we're probably going to see some snow around from the DFW area north and west Thursday, with some areas south and east getting a wintry mix, and then it likely ends as some snow Thursday night. Now, it'll be out of here by Friday morning. We'll be dealing with the aftermath of it by Friday morning. But as for precipitation chances across the area, it does look like we're going to see an accumulation from the Metroplex north. Couple inches, 2, 3, some areas could even have 4 inches in the accumulation area. Now, we'll be playing with where the actual line goes because it's still 3 days in advance, and pinpointing an exact temperature in the atmosphere is tough because all you need is a layer above freezing, like it'll be just south of the Metroplex. If you have a layer above freezing, any precipitation melts, so it'll fall sometimes as rain. You could get some sleet floating around in there, or a rain, snow, sleet mix down towards Palestine, more likely towards the rain side. Our forecast, though, today, we're not talking about any of that. It's just kind of on the sunny side out there. We'll see some clouds this afternoon and tonight. Those clouds tonight should help keep temperatures, again, in the 20s, nothing worse than that. And tomorrow, upper 30s for highs with lighter winds. We'll watch on Wednesday some clouds thicken up. It looks like a mostly cloudy day. Maybe get a couple of snow flurries out of these clouds, but nothing more than that. So the next 3 days are very quiet and dry before our storm system moves in on Thursday. 40 degrees today, 39 tomorrow, 37 on Wednesday. We're in the low 30s Thursday, pretty close to freezing. Once the storm gets out of here, we'll get back above freezing Friday, and we'll be in the 40s by this weekend.